Hello and welcome back to my FL Studio experiment of 30 minutes daily. As I do each day, I'm going to start with what I currently have here. Alright, so that's what I have right now, and it's, exploring a few different elements in FL Studio. So today I decided to organize what I have, and because I realized that I realized that it's a good idea to separate each instrument. And as you can see here, for example, I have the kick and the clap in the same channel rack. So I decided to go through and separate all that out, and I'm gonna make one separate track for the kick and one channel rack for the kick only, and for each instrument. So I don't know if I did it in a way that other people do. I have no idea. I'm just freestyling this. But to me, it made sense. So as you see here, I'm just making this for only the clap. And I changed the colors a little bit. And for the drums and stuff like that, I just had like grayish colors, kind of like background colors. And here I guess I'm just making sure that that comes out to be the same thing that I had before. Okay, skip ahead a little bit. Here I colored the bass purple just because it seems like more of a deep kind of color, deep note. Yeah, so one thing I wasn't really sure what I should do there. I have two different bass patterns, and I wasn't sure if I should put them in the same arrangement, or should I just keep them separate? I ended up keeping them separate. Like I have this one. This is like, these are the two different bass notes here. As you can see, one is in the arrangement called just bass simply. But I ended up keeping everything as separate as possible just to keep everything simple. So I named this one the bass groove, because I think it kind of sets the rhythm a bit more, and I just kept them separate. That was one thing I wasn't really sure if I should, but why not just keep everything as simple as possible. And yeah, that's just what I'm doing today, just some organizing. And I mean, visually it looks nicer, it looks simpler, and I can see how it's gonna help. Alright, so skipping ahead a little bit, we just just more organization here. One thing, as I kept going, I realized that you can just copy the color code in to the next instrument. Like if you have I have this LED aria note and this automation for it, I can just copy that in so that the automation is the same color. I'm just gonna fast forward through this. It's nothing too different from what I've been doing. I went a little bit above the 30 minutes here, not by much. Yeah, that's about it. I think this is helpful, even though it's nothing major. And I'm deleting some extra stuff that I have in there. And this one, I don't know if there's a faster way to do this, but to shift up, like I tried to drag the the track. I think, yeah, you'd say the track. I tried to drag it through, but the only way that I was able to do this was to move the track up like one by one. I don't know if there's a shortcut for this, but anyway, I figured I would drag this up, put a track in here, and put in some snare, just in case I add some snare, So that's all I have for today. And we'll check out what I currently have, which is exactly the same as yesterday, because nothing has changed as far as the instruments.